The Villanova lifestyle is starting to come to life, with the show house taking shape and the amenities steadily progressing. This is your update for June 2026. My name is Juliet Badividarma, property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. Hi, Engineer Bright. Thank you for having us here today. So what has been the update for the month of June?
Okay, so our last report, we're working on the driveway as a slab. We're having a decking. We cast the concrete and now it is being removed.
Okay.
We moved to the reception area. It was hardcore filling.
Yes.
And now we erected the formwork for the column. We have cast. The column has been striped and removed.
Okay.
And now we are doing block work.
Yes, I did see that on my way.
And when you check the zone 1, first floor, we have started the block work. And at the ground floor, we are doing plumbing work.
Okay.
Yes, we have 4 beds at the zone 1. That one we are using as a show house, so we need to split.
Oh, so aside this, there's going to be another show house for a 4-bedroom specifically.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the zone 2, we have also done our septic tank. We are working on it. And at the internal works, we have done the ceiling. We are doing the skimming now.
Okay.
And we are fixing the window profile.
Yes.
You can see that one too.
Yes.
So when you check the zone 3 first floor, we have started the block work.
Yes, I see that. Okay. So what can the clients expect to see next month when they come on site?
So next month at the rooftop terrace, we are going to start with the screeding. After the screeding, we will do the waterproofing. After the waterproofing, we'll start with the tiling work. Then when you check the internal, we'll start with the painting works.
Okay.
External, we are going to start with the skimming. After the skimming, then we'll start with the finishing, which is the painting.
Okay, so when do you estimate that the show house will be ready?
Oh, certainly, our next report, you will see massive improvement.
Okay. Thank you so much for having us. We'll meet again next month. As Villanova continues to evolve, so does its demand for its unique blend of privacy, premium amenities, and a redefined living. If Villanova is a part of your future plans, now is the time to speak to our team and secure your place in this exclusive community. To stay informed, stay connected, follow us on all our social media platforms.